Hello, my name is Sally Gimmon, and I am the owner of the TrustIsYou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Now, with the Spendthrift Trust, I want to help as many U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners, and investors to save federal taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. The Spendthrift Trust is legal, copywritten in the IRS Tax Code, and will save you in 4 very important ways. Number 1, federal taxes, year after year, generation after generation. Number 2, we'll keep your information 100% private. Number 3, you will not pay any judgments if you get sued. And number 4, if you don't know about the 2024 Corporate Transparency Act coming from the Treasury Department, you'll be shielded from doing any of this paperwork year after year. Now, I want to get this information out to as many people as possible because the Treasury Department has not announced this. They won't announce this until December 23rd, 2023. Yes, I have to figure out which century I'm in. I don't know about y'all, but on Boxing Day, we go to lunch and out to a movie. It's family tradition. So with this Corporate Transparency Act, if you're an established LLC doing business as or corporation, you have until January 1st of 2025 to do the paperwork for the Department of Treasury. So you're good. If you start a new LLC doing business as or corporation, you have 30 days to do the paperwork for the Treasury Department. What's the paperwork? Good question. They're asking information, your name, your address, your phone number, your social security number, your driver's license number, your passport. If you do not do this paperwork, you will be fined either $10,000 or 2 years in jail, or both. This is kind of crazy. Now, if you do the paperwork incorrectly, you could be charged $500 a day, including Saturday and Sunday. Just to give you an example, when I started my first LLC back in December of 2018, I know the law firm that did my LLC. They want to know who the paralegal was who did my LLC. I'd have to track that down. Now, I do have both the business trust and beneficial trust, so I won't have to do this paperwork. But this is going to be such a headache for so many people. If again, I want to let people know, if you're an established LLC doing business as or corporation, you have until January 1st of 2025. If you start a new one, you have 30 days. Now, to pour salt into your wounds, I work on behalf of a law firm that has a copyright on the Benson Financial Trust for the last 72 years. One of the trust attorneys goes to church with a senior vice president of a bank, a large bank. At church afterwards, they were having coffee and donuts. He went up to the senior vice president and said, is your bank working with the Corporate Transparency Act? The senior vice president got a big smile on his face and he said, yes, we know all about the CTA and we plan to send 1,000 accounts per week to the Financial Crimes Network. The Financial Crimes Network is a division of the Treasury Department. They're the ones who will investigate if the accounts are money laundering or not. I'm a real estate investor. I have money going into my account and out of my account all the time. I wholesale houses. I have 12 notes that pay me their mortgage. I have rentals. I have a crypto bot. And then on my business account, I have other things. My accounts could be flagged and sent to the Financial Crimes Network. But again, I'm shielded because I have the Spendthrift Trust. If the Financial Crimes Network investigates and decides it's money laundering, they will seize the assets and sell them on the open market. When they sell them on the open market, that bank or credit union will make at least 35% of the profit from the seized asset. The senior vice president said this is going to go to their bottom line to help their shareholders. Great for the bank's shareholders, but lousy for small business owners. Again, if you would like to have the 2 documents I have from the Financial Crimes Network, please email me at info at the trust is you. My slide is incorrect. I'm so sorry. Info at the slide is, you need the @ sign. My mistake. So I need to correct that. If I will be going live December 12th, 4 p.m. East Coast time to do a Q&A on the Spendthrift Trust. If you would like to come to the live Q&A, it's going to be www.thetrustisYou.com/save. You see, there's everything's tied in together. If you need to make an appointment with me, please make an appointment at www.thetrustisYou.com/scheduling. I work with U.S. business owners, 1099 income earners and investors to save federal taxes legally with the Spendthrift Trust. Thank you for watching my little short videos. I will correct the slide and make sure this is put into the right place. Take care. Bye-bye.